Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Our today's topic is what are the best natural acne treatments? There are many acne treatments, but some of them may be dangerous and harmful to your health. The best acne treatment should be safe and effective and leave you feeling good about yourself. Here are the top 5 best natural acne treatments. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a great natural remedy for acne because it helps to restore the skin's pH balance and reduce inflammation. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 2 cups of water and apply it to the skin with a cotton ball. Leave on for 10 minutes and then rinse with warm water. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is another popular natural acne treatment. Tea tree oil has been used as a topical treatment for many years. It has been used to treat everything from dandruff to acne scars, boils, and pimples. It is said to have an anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that help clear up acne breakouts. It helps to dry out excess oil, kill bacteria, and reduce inflammation. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is the best way to treat acne. It has an anti-inflammatory properties, which mean it can help reduce redness and swelling. And it can also soothe your skin. It's also very moisturizing, which helps dry out pimples. It also contains vitamins A and C, which are both antioxidants that help fight free radicals in your skin. Aloe vera gel also contains enzymes that help kill bacteria on your skin. Garlic. Garlic is another great natural treatment for acne. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that help kill bacteria and reduce inflammation, as well as antioxidants that can prevent damage from free radicals caused by inflammation. Garlic can also help fight infection, which is something you want when fighting acne. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential nutrients that can help to improve overall skin health. They may help reduce inflammation and keep the skin's sebaceous glands functioning normally, which could lead to fewer acne breakouts. Eat foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids or take an omega-3 fatty acid supplement to help clear up acne. I hope this helps you guys. I'll be doing more videos like this, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like, comment and share. See you in the next video.